Hello, I'm Shadow. Introduction to Commerce. Commerce is the exchange of goods and services, especially on a large scale. It includes legal, economic, political, social, cultural and technological systems that operate in a country or in international trade. The English language word commerce has been derived from the Latin word commercium, from cum, together, and merx, merchandise. The word then got converted to French language to finally give us commerce, which essentially means facilitating trading or allowing for exchange of goods and services. A majorly important component of commerce is trade. It is essentially a smaller version of commerce in a way that it refers to the actual buying and selling of goods only. Commerce includes 4 activities related to trade, such as insurance, banking, warehousing, and transportation. Insurance is any human or natural calamity as stipulated beforehand. Banking is related to financing of the transactions. Warehousing puts focus over storage-related issues such keeping goods in a safe place. And transportation involves carrying goods from the place of their production to their actual place of sale. In historic times, the introduction of currency as a standardized money facilitated the wider exchange of goods and services. Numismatists have collections of tokens, which include coins from some ancient world large-scale societies, although initial usage involved unmarked lumps of precious metal. This type of symbol is called caduceus, which is traditionally associated with the Roman god Mercury. Commerce includes as a subset of itself a complex system of companies which try to maximize their profits by offering products and services to the market, at the lowest production cost. A system of international trade has helped to develop the world economy, such as globalization. This is just a brief description for commerce. Like, comment, and subscribe now.